Okay, good morning students. Very good morning. Now, topic today we will discuss mainly chapter 3, continuation chapter 3, Union Government. Union Government. Union Government. The topic is mainly difference between order bill and money bill. Okay, here bills it is mainly announced by the parliament. Yes, before previous classes we will discuss about the Lok Sabha speaker aims, how to select Lok Sabha speaker, president rule, difference between Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Okay, and next president time emergency type of system, president rule of the system. Okay, previous classes we will discuss. Okay, today now difference between ordinary bill and money bills. Okay, difference between ordinary bill and money bill. Ordinary bills and money bills. Okay, ordinary bills and money bills. Any bill mainly first the bill is first introduction of the bill is prepared ruling government only. The ruling government, prime minister and other union cabinet minister will discuss and prepare the bill, any bill, order bill or money bill. Okay, the bill is first introduced of the parliament, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Okay, afterwards next the president sign. Last the bill is accepted to all over India. Okay, so the bills is mainly two types. Number one, order bill. Number two, money bill. Okay, here ordinary bills. Okay, ordinary bill. What is the main ordinary bill? Ordinary bills, money bills. Ordinary bills and money bills. Okay, the order bills, money bills. Order bill it is the non-financial bills. So this type of bills, non-financial type of bills. Okay, the money bills is compulsory financial bills. Money bills means is compulsory financial bill. This is the non-financial bills. And next, the order bills reforms the non-financial and affairs of the government. Non-financial and affairs of the government. This is the financial bill. Okay, and not affairs of the government. Financial bill and not affairs of the government. So this is the first method, non-financial and financial. And next second, the order bill is compulsory president permission. President. Okay, the president permission is compulsory. It is not president permission sometimes is not also there. President permission is not order bill. Sometimes permission is sometimes the bill is depend on the way of method. Okay, the president permission is not order bill. The order bill is the local of the system. Sometimes permission taken, sometimes not there. Okay, overall the president permission is not under the order bills. But money bills, the president permission is compulsory. This is mandatory. President permission mandatory. President permission mandatory. Okay. President permission is mandatory, compulsory of the money bills. Why the money bills is under the every citizen or every government, every state government will compulsory accept under the every citizen of the India, every state of the country, So So this type of bill, order bill, president permission is not given under the president permission, but it is the president permission is mandatory, compulsory president permission. Without president permission, the bill is not accepted. Okay, the president permission is compulsory under the money type of system, the money type of bills. Okay, and next number 3, the order bills mainly announced of the order bill mainly announced any Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha. This compulsory order bill means some Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha. The order bill mainly permission taken under the any common house like Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha. But money bill compulsory Lok Sabha only announced. There is no authority, there is no power under the Rajya Sabha. Okay, but the money bill compulsory, announced on the Lok Sabha only. Lok Sabha compulsory Lok Sabha only. Okay, so okay, next here election commissioner, chief election commissioner. Okay, first election commission of India, election commission of India. What is the main duty of the election commission of India? It is also called ECI, election commission of India. Okay, election commission of India, the main conduct the appointed under the president. The election commission of India, the president appointed chief election commissioner, CEC, chief election commissioner, chief election commissioner. Okay, chief election commissioner. Duration period 6 years. How many years this period of chief election commissioner? 6 years. Remaining president and prime minister, other union council members and state election state election officers, like example in central state officers, total of 5 years period there, but remain only chief election commissioner period how many years? 6 years. Chief Election Commissioner of India, only one person there all over India. Okay, the Election Commission of India established under the which area? New Delhi. Okay, this mainly one of the union government, one of the part. Union government, one of the part. Election Commission of India, ECI, union government, one of the part. Okay, Chief Election Commissioner, duration period how many years? 6 years. And chief election commissioner every state, the state wise election commissioner there, state wise election commissioner, are there. Okay, the state election commissioner mainly every state under the controlled by the chief election commissioner. The state election commissioner appointed under the downwise the state election commissioner, state wise election commissioner under the polling officer, presiding officer, polling agents. Here divide some groups. Polling officer. Next presiding officer. And next polling agents. Okay, this is the main systematic of the election commission of India. Okay, the election commission of India established this year 1950. Okay, 1950 Election Commission of India established. The Election Commission of India after independence conduct the free and fair elections all over India, every constituency and every legislative every legislative all over India, all states, the state legislative assembly elections, the state legislative assembly elections. And next is chief election commissioner, auto elected, indirectly elected. Who is elected the chief election commissioner? President of India. The president of India elected chief election commissioner. Duration period of 6 years. 6 years are maximum age 65 years age. Okay, duration 6 years or maximum age last 65 years age. Okay, this is the first one. First one is 6 years or 65 years age. Okay, so this is the election commission of India system. Okay, chief election commissioner appointed every state-wise election commissioner. The state-wise election commissioner every state there. Okay, the state-wise election commissioner under the every constituency, every state, the state total all, the state controlled by the under the leader, the state head of the election commissioner, leader, state election commissioner only. Okay, the state election commissioner appointed polling officer, presiding officer, polling agents. The polling officer, the polling booth level. Okay, the polling booth level conduct the elections. The polling booth level under the duty polling officer only. Presiding officer, what is the main duty? The constituency area. Under the constituency area, every constituency presiding officer there. The presiding officer under the constituency total population, one constituency total population how many members and voters. Okay, the voters how many there, how many members are there, out of population how many voters, strength how many, under the total controlled by the total total under the presiding officer only. Polling agents, yes, this is the polling agents here. The every political party appointed polling agents. Okay, 3 members or 2 or 3 members. So the polling agents under the constituency, whole constituency, the ward wise elections or panchayat elections, the polling agents also under the help of the voters, polling agents, help of the voters. Okay, compared to last general elections, the last general elections, how many percentage their elections, present how many percentage there, total under the control by the ECI, Election Commission of India. This is the head of the department and main permanent body of the union government. Next to here another one, electorate. What is the meaning of electorate? Electorate means electorate, the body of voters is called the electorate. Okay, voters list. Electorate means, what is the meaning of electorate? Voters list, the body of voters, total voters how many members are there, the body of voters is called electorate. The electorate is controlled by the under the constituency of area, So this is the main function of the under the Election Commission of India. Okay, how many years of period? 6 years or 65 years age of period. State wise conduct the election, every state election commissioner, and constituency area, every constituency under the polling officers there, the polling officers, polling booth officer and presiding officer. Okay, presiding officer under the constituency of areas only. We will discuss under the sometimes discuss about the people also, like people means the election time period. Okay, so this is the mainly one of the type of the union government. Before independence, there is no elections from India. There is no means some places only conduct the elections. After independence, 1950, 30% only elections percentage. How much percentage? Only 30%. Only 30%. The 30% particularly some constituency areas only, some states only. Total all over India, all states not there. Only some states. Okay, the percentage is also less. population is also less. Okay, so some states only some states no conduct the elections. Okay, why the state wise problems and some states percentage very low, particularly the women's percentage is very low under the constituency under the after independence period. Okay, 1950. So this is the total whole part of the election commission of India duty. Okay, next topic. Okay, next topic is mainly composition of electoral college. Composition of electoral college. Composition of electoral college and next national emergency. National emergency. Okay, here these two topics mainly composition of electoral college. Electoral college means total voters list. How many members are there? Okay, the members mainly how to appointed of the electoral college. Okay, next national emergency. National emergency like a president rule system. About like this national emergency. Indira Gandhi period first time started national emergency. Okay, 1977. Okay, and next national emergency world wise end of the World War 1945-47. This period some world wise national emergency there. On India only national emergency in 1966, 65 to 66, 67. Okay, this year's mainly national emergency. National emergency period directly ruling of the control by the whole nation under the president only. The president only mainly controlled by the all over nation. Okay. Okay, students. Tomorrow we will discuss to continue about national emergency and composition of electoral college and what is the main duty of national emergency and controlled by the election college and other function of the Lok Sabha. Okay, we will discuss in our next class. Okay, students. Thank you.